guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition add-on. It's actually going to allow me to head to the Fortnite dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the Fortnite dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition Fortnite dimension add-on. Wow, that was a long name, guys. But everything you guys are going to need to head to this absolutely amazing dimension is in my inventory. So what you guys are going to need first, you're going to need lime wool. And all you want to do is go ahead and place 1, 2, just like that, guys. Then you're going to need yellow wool, and you just want to place one of those on each side. Then you just want to go ahead, after you have built this, you want to go ahead and jump up on that yellow wool. Oh my god, I jumped right over. Then you're going to want to just go ahead and put 1, 2, 3 lime wool, and then 1 yellow wool on top. Then you might want to look around, make sure that nobody's watching you. No Herobrine secret agents watching you. And if you do see one, make sure that you hurry up, you run home, you put aluminum foil on your head and your loved ones' heads. That way, he won't be able to watch you guys. But this is what it should look like after you're done building it, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. Now what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and light this baby up. Boom! That looks amazing, guys. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to this amazing, spectacular dimension. Oh my god, I jumped straight through. Why does this happen to me every time, guys? I just like jump straight through. But wow, that loaded up quick. And oh my god, whoa. Oh my god. I'm not even in this dimension a second, and I'm already taking a full-hearted damage. That is crazy, guys. But this is an arrow pointing that way, I believe. Unless they put the sign backwards just to try to catch me up, guys. And I'm really heading straight for some lava. But whoa, what does that say? Do not pass danger? Wow, I can clearly see there's danger, guys. Right there, Spider-Man. Let me go ahead and shoot him in the eye. Boom! He just died. Yeah, he don't want to mess around with me. Now I have his spider eye. I gotta wonder, if I did have a spider eye and I like looked out of a spider eye, would I see everything like super small, or would I see everything super big? Probably super big. It looks like there's some homes down there though, guys. And there's some buttons around here too, oddly placed all over the place. Maybe they're connected to TNT, so I'm not going to push any of them. But I am going to spawn this villager, and he's actually going to be my watch out, ain't you? I'm just going to slap him. Go be my watch out. Hopefully he watches me, guys, and he makes sure that I don't get into any trouble. And if I do get into any trouble, he's probably just going to find a boat and go far, far away, to be honest, guys. But whoa, over there's some zombies taking a bath. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think he sees me, guys. I think they have spotted me. Yeah, they definitely spotted me, but they cannot get out of their bath. Look at them. They're just jumping around, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at this place. Oh my god, it looks like somebody's already ransacked this place, guys. Was it you? It probably was him. He's saying it was the zombie. So you're a good guy? He's a good guy. This is obviously the bad guy. Boom, take that. Boom, don't you know not to ransack people's place? That's my job. My job's to come here and ransack their place. Oh my god, do they have a chicken? A chicken barn, guys? Oh my god. I've always wanted one of these, guys. I've always wanted a chicken house. Let me go ahead and set these chickens free, though. Because they shouldn't just be trapped. They should be able to run free, where a wolf's gonna catch them and then eat them, and then, you know, that's a chicken life. Oh my god, what is up with you, zombie? You know what? I'm gonna try to trick him into stepping into that fire, guys. Come on. Boom. Oh, he's gonna be a cook zombie. He's gonna be a cook zombie. I wish when you did cook zombies like that, they dropped, like, cooked zombie butt cheeks. That would be, that would be pretty funny, guys. But looks like somebody blew this place up, guys. Like, this place has been really beat, guys. It looks like it was a pretty nice place at one point in time. Let's go ahead and see if they left us anything. They did not leave us anything at all, guys. And let's go ahead and see if they left us anything. Still nothing. Wow, I cannot believe that. I wish I could find the sucker that did this, because I would beat his butt. Oh my god, none of it's you. None of it's you. Oh snap. Now I know what probably happened. it was probably a creeper party up in here, and they blew it up. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and finish blowing it up. You want some, zombie? You want some? I am about to blow your cheeks right off. Boom! Oh my god, whoa. Well, at least now they have a basement. I guess that's a plus. I guess that is a plus, guys. Now they have a basement. But let's go ahead and take a look at this, like, little pig barn. Wow, this is where they keep all the pigs. I don't think these are necessarily barns. I think these are more like houses. So that was the chicken house. This is the pig house. I'm going to go ahead and set them free. And then I wonder whose house that is. Let me go ahead and hit this guy. Oh my god. There's two of them. I'm running, guys. I am running. Oh my god, right here's a stallion. Oh my god, it's killing me. It is killing me, guys. Oh my god, where am I? Whoa, there for a minute it was dark, guys. But I just took off on the stallion. Wow, he is so cool, guys. He is really, really cool. I wish I could, like, find a white pig, like an albino pig, and, like, ride him around like this. I think that would be pretty awesome, guys. Oh my god. That Reaper killed my stallion. Oh my god. Creepers are not my friend. They are not my friend, guys. They all hate me for some reason. But let's go ahead and blow that cow house up. Run free, little cows. Hopefully the brown cows get out so they can give me some delicious chocolate milk. Oh my god, get off of me, zombie. Come on, you want some, zombie? You really want some of me? Come on. Oh my god, there's two of them. I'm just gonna ride on out of here, guys. Wow, we actually made it out, guys. Wow, their place is wrecked. Whoa, it looks pretty funny when I jump like that. Like that, guys. Because my dude, like, leans all the way back. But wow, this place is absolutely wrecked. But at least all the animals are free, guys. And most of the zombies are killed. Obviously they just try to ransack these animals' homes, and that just wasn't right, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below, and also let me know what dimension you want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.